Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Now scroll down to access Apps and Services. After that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Then tap on one of your apps, I will go with browser, and select the best option for you. Allow only while in use or deny. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, I can see that browser just gained access to this device's location when I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Media and Files to access my gallery. Now tap on See All Gallery Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!